Programming advice I wish I had sooner. If you guys are working at all in the JavaScript space or on any of the front end stuff, using any of the frameworks, you have no business using the frameworks if you guys don't understand JavaScript and know how to use JavaScript as a standalone language and how the language itself works. Because what this is going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to step outside of the framework and you can look at the language as a standalone language, and then you can assess and measure the different libraries and frameworks separately, right? And you can make the decision on whether or not it is necessary or not. If you have the ability to build things in basic JavaScript, right, that'll change your mindset when you're looking at all these different runtimes, libraries, frameworks, and you'll be able to make better decisions because you understand how JavaScript works, right? And there are going to be times where you may deem that, hey, we don't really need any of the frameworks or runtimes to run this. I don't need a massive fucking Next.js application to run this basic, web application, right? Or you can assess and look at the different runtimes, like Bun, Node, and the Next is just a wrapper around Node, right? So you guys need to step outside of just locking yourself into these simple frameworks and libraries, right? And become a software engineer who simply utilizes JavaScript to build web applications, right? There's a distinct difference between, hey, I build things in Next versus, hey, I utilize JavaScript to build different types of applications. What I'm saying is diving into how JavaScript works, right? So diving into the virtual machine runtime and seeing how that works underneath the hood that allows JavaScript to run in either the browser or on the computer. Looking into execution contexts, the queues, the stacks, right? How does this language work underneath the hood? And this will also allow you to just simply understand at a more basic level, when things go wrong, you'll know where to look. Because you need to remember that all of these frameworks and libraries are built on top of JavaScript, right? So if you don't understand the basic fundamental stuff, you're going to have a hard time conceptualizing when these things are running, where things could go wrong and where things could be a bottleneck or where things could get overwhelmed.